Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's your boy Dwayne Scent. I have an unboxing video for you, and it's by Bentley for Men Intense by Bentley. So let's get right into the video. Removing the plastic. So we're gonna put the plastic aside. So we have light brown box. Here we have the Bentley logo in silver or gray. Bentley for Men Intense. This is the EDP version, 100 ml, 3.4 ounces. Alright, here we're gonna look under the bottom. So we have the barcode. We have the reference number, and we have the serial number. Alright, so nothing is on the sides, and around at the back you have the Bentley logo and all the ingredients. Now we are going to the most important part, and I'm so excited. I'm going to remove the fragrance from the box. Wow, it's a nice, beautiful bottle. Now we're going to observe the serial number, and we are going to match it with the serial number on the box. Alright, so you see them? 104809H19. Okay guys, so here you have the bottle. Nice, beautiful bottle. Alright, right here I have this silver metal cap. Alright, pop it. Right, this bottle look like a capsule. Right, nice, beautiful bottle. Let's check out the notes. Top note we have bergamot, black pepper, and bay leaf. In the middle we have clary sage, African geranium, cinnamon, rum, and wood. In the base we have leather, benzonium, incense, cedar, and patchouli. There are some other notes, but I am going to leave them in the description box down below. This fragrance was a blind buy, and now I am going to remove the bottle cap. Alright, the cap is so tight, kind of difficult to pull. I am so excited to spray this fragrance. Please remember to like the video. Now I'm going to spray some sprays from the atomizer. Nice and smooth. I actually love this scent. This is a good one. Smell classy and expensive. Have a boozy vibes, and it's masculine. If you love spicy fragrance, this one is for you. Not sure how long this fragrance lasts and perform. I will have to test it myself. Another thing, this fragrance is geared for fall and winter. I purchased this fragrance here in Jamaica from on Instagram at Rivka Perfumery. Out if you're interested in male and female fragrances. If you live in Kingston, delivery is free. Excellent customer service. I am going to leave a link in the description box down below. I am also going to link some other sellers who you can also get fragrances. If you love to smell good, please to give this video a like. If you want to support your boy Dwayne Scent, please to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you want to see a review on this fragrance, please to leave a comment in the comment section.